Okay, number 5 question says 5A question says given that log base 10 of sin x plus cos x equals 1 and log base 10 of sin x plus cos x equals 1 over 2 log base 10 of n minus 1. Find value of n. So that is whatever I see log base 10 of what x of sin x plus cos x, I should put what? I should put 1. The question is actually minus 1. Okay, so leaving it as what? Minus 1 equals to what? 1 over 2 log base 10 of what? N minus 1. Now, in this case, what now happens? It means, let me break this into 2. It means that what? Minus 1 is equals to what? 1 over 2. Okay, the same thing, n minus 1. Cross multiply here, what do I have? Minus 2 is equals to log base 10 of what? N minus 1. From here, applying law of logarithm, what do I have? This becomes what? 10 raised to power what? Minus 2 equals to n minus 1. From here, I have it as what? 1 over 10 squared plus 1 is equals to what? Is equals to n. And from there, this is 1 over 100 plus 1 is equals to what? N. And it implies that what? N is equals to what? 101 over what? 100 if you find the LCM. As simple as that. So that's number what? 5A. 5B now, given that open bracket 3 factorial into factorial all into factorial is equals to k dot n, where k and n are positive integers and n is as large as possible. Find the value of k plus n. So how do I solve this question? I have 3 factorial over what? 3 factorial equals k dot what? N factorial. So n and k are positive, it means my answer must be what? Positive for both n and k. And also n is as large as possible means my k should be less than n. Okay, so how do I then solve? From here, it means I must express this, or I should express this in this form, k dot factorial. So something will be equals to k, something will be equals to what? N factorial. From here, let me cancel this out, leaving me with what? Leaving me with 3 factorial all factorial over what? Over 3 is equals to k dot n factorial. From here, I can say this is the same thing as what? Now note, if I have 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 times 1, right? So that's 2 times 2 minus 1 factorial. So, and then it means that for this also, as long as this is 2, it becomes what? 3 factorial times what? 3 factorial minus 1 what? Factorial over 3 equals k dot n factorial. Don't get confused. 1 factorial is 1, so me not putting factorial here does not mean that it's not still 2 times 1. So in this case, 3 factorial is the same as this times what? This minus 1 what? Factorial. So from here, I can now split it by saying 3 factorial dot 3 factorial minus 1 factorial is equals to what? 3k dot what? N factorial. Now from here, you can now say comparing your left hand and your right hand sides. What do I have? It means 3 factorial should be equals to 3k, and what? 3 factorial minus 1 factorial must be equals to what? N factorial. So that is comparing the constants relatively, comparing what? The ones with factorial together. From here, 3 factorial is the same thing as what? 6. That's 3 times 2 times 1. So 6 is equals to 3k. And in this case, factorial cancels factorial. What happens? 3 factorial minus 1 is equals to what? N. So in this case, I can say my k is equals to what? 2. And here, since 3 factorial I mean is 6, so that's 6 minus 1 equals to n. It means my k is equals to 2 and what? N is equals to what? 5. So what do we notice? We notice that what? My k and n are both positive. I'll notice that my n is greater than my what? My k. So looking for k plus n now becomes as simple as saying what? K plus n now becomes what? 2 plus what? 5, which is what? 7. So that is the what? Final answer.